Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm working in Wesley Chapel, Florida. I'm doing a house wash here for a returning customer. Last year I did his driveway, sidewalks, and this year he calls me back for the house wash. I have my son out here with me today, getting some work in. We got a couple of jobs on the schedule. This house here, it's not terribly bad, but he has a lot of trees around, so you already know algae is gonna be growing pretty fast. But this is the house wash. The paint look like it's fading in some spots under the window, so I just want to get this on camera as I'm doing my walk around, just to make sure that nothing gets blamed on me. This side's not too bad. I got my son back there ready to water down the plant so we can start. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the pressure washer. As I'm warming it up, he can water down them plants before I turn it full throttle. Guys, as you see, I got my son doing the house wash today. Get him a little taste of this house washing gig, He's always done the sidewalks and the driveways, all the flat work. So today he wants to try out the house wash. So I got him soaking down the house right now. We got two sides soaked up before we move on to the other side of the house. Guys, so right now the house has been doing it for about 10-12 minutes. We're ready to rinse. We're gonna start from where we started, soaping in the back and work our way to the front, rinsing from the top to the bottom. For this right here, stucco, so we're using the Super Sun Sucker downstream injector to give us a nice strong mix to clean the stucco. And as you guys know, the stucco requires a lot of rinsing, so you get the SH off the house. You don't want to leave that on there because the paint will get oxidized. So we got 1, 2, three sides of the house done. As we were rinsing the front, the neighbor came by and asked us to do his driveway, so we're gonna be doing the next door's neighbor's driveway sidewalks. I got my son soaping down the wall right now on this side. Once he gets done soaping this, since we're gonna have our SH on still, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, downstream it. So when we go to rinse this side here, it'll be nice and dwelled up and ready for surface cleaning. As you guys saw, we just downstreamed the next door neighbor's driveway. So we're gonna come back over here and rinse down this last side of the house, and we'll be completely done with this one here. And I got enough hose, man. We can just go right over it. Got plenty of water to do that driveway. So it's working out pretty good. Got my son rinsing the house, this last side right now. Doing a great job. Over here, guys, the house is washed. This is an older house, so it has some paint peeling on the fascia, which, you know, I didn't use no high pressure. And also, while we were here, like I said, we did the neighbor's driveway, sidewalk. Quick little add-on, man, while we were here. Got them cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and pack up and head to the other job. I'll set up right here with this third job for the day. We're doing the driveway cleaning on this new property. It's about 2 years old. And as you know, with concrete that's not, you know, cured with the time it's supposed to be, you can't go high pressure. So therefore, we're gonna apply a hot mix, actually a 50-50 mix, SH and water. And we're gonna let that dwell to kill the algae. And we're gonna be using low pressure on the concrete. at the 4th job for the day. Right now we're in Newport Richey, Florida, which is about 45 minutes west of Tampa. And this customer here, I had asked him, like, how did you find my number? You know, he told me he found it from Google. He said he put in gutter cleaning, and I was #1, and I had the most 5 stars. I'm shocked because I'm way in Tampa, like I say, 45 minutes away. But I do have this county listed as far as one of the counties that I serve. I don't advertise much for it, but you know, here I am. So I'm gonna be doing the gutters. The gutters ain't too bad, so I'm gonna be just flushing them out with my ball valve. Got a dirty pool cage. We're not doing the deck, just a pool cage. So as I'm doing this, I'm doing a walk around to make sure that there's no ripped screens. Before I start, you can see some algae. It's just, if I stay on the side like this, we're gonna hit that with a 5%. Not even gonna mess around. All right, guys, project is all done. As you can tell, you know how I do, man. Bring things back to life, things shining. Customers are so happy that they want us to come back next week to do their driveway. So me and my son are gonna come back next week to take care of them. You know, he's working with me for the summer to earn some money because he wants to buy some football equipment. So right now he burnt out for the day. He said he tired, boss. Look at this man. This man been working, but you see, look at this man's arm. What is this? He did a good job today, though. So next week we'll be back. We're gonna be doing the sidewalk. Has a 3-car driveway with no sidewalks up front. But we're gonna do some rust removal. I did some tests with my rust remover, and you can tell this block here I clean right here. And this we're gonna be doing this right here next week, and some spots on the driveway. All right, we're gonna pack it up and head back to Tampa. Right now it is 4:45. What time we got here? 2 o'clock?
3.
We got here at 3 o'clock, so 1 hour and 45 minutes. And this ticket here was $400. All right, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.